This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louis on Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Now that's the lift gate. The license plate light is right there below it. There's two lights, same process for both of them. You will need a flathead screwdriver to get the light out because you need to press the clips over there. So press the clips using the screwdriver and then use it to sort of pull it out like that. Yep, that's the trick. That's how you get the light out of the car. Once the light is out, this is the tricky part. Normally you just have to twist it left a little bit and the bulb holder comes out of the light. But it'll very likely be stuck, so you'll need a pair of pliers or something. So use the pliers to grab the bulb holder and then use that to twist it left. So that's the trick to do it. If it comes loose like this, that's perfect. Once you get the bulb holder loose, just get it out. That's the bulb over there. In order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. Pull it out straight. If it doesn't come out though, I'm going to show you a trick because it's very likely going to be stuck in there. It's very common for these cars. So grab a small flathead screwdriver, a small one, and then use that to wedge in there and then use that to pry the bulb out. Pry it from one side a little bit, then try it from the other side. It's going to take a few seconds, but it'll come right out. And again, it doesn't really matter because this is a used bulb, a damaged bulb. We don't really care. We're just going to replace it. So once it's loose, get the bulb out. The new bulb is 168 or 194. That's the size, 168 or 194. So grab a new replacement bulb. Simply push it in there to lock it in place, and that's good. Now let's put the bulb holder. Before we put it back in though, let's just try it out, see if it works. And now that is looking good. Okay, switch the light off, put the bulb holder back into the light. You're probably gonna take a few seconds to align it because the bulb holder should just like sit flush with it. Yep, just like that. Once it's sitting flush, all you now have to do is just twist your right and lock it in place, and that's it. Let's put it back in the car. Now when you're putting it back in, note the orientation of the light. See where the red bar is pointing at? Yeah, that edge is over there. It should be pointing to the back of the car, just the way I'm showing in the video over here. And that's it. Push it in, click, click, and you are done. Hope you found the video useful.